Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you wanna know how to power up your modem or router even though there is power outage, make sure to watch the whole video. I have here Globe at Home modem, but this method will work with most of the available modem or router today. You need two things for this method to work. First, you need a power bank. Any power bank with 5 volts output will do. Second, you need a 5 volts to 12 volts USB power converter. You can purchase this cord in any electronic or online stores. I actually bought my power bank and USB power converter from Lazada. Now we will proceed with our tutorial. First step. You need to plug in USB to power bank. Second step. You need to plug in DC jack at the back of your modem or router. There you go. Your modem is now powered up and now you have internet connection. If you like this video, please leave a like, your comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.